Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy ICX. To buy ICX we are going to use Bitrue. So before we can buy ICX, you have to sign up to Bitrue. Use the link in description to sign up to Bitrue. So after you have logged in, we first have to like you can see, we first have to buy either BTC, XRP or Ethereum, and then we are going to trade one of those assets to buy ICX. So in this case I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin and then trade the Bitcoin to ICX. So go to home, then click credit card. Here you can buy BTC. Above you can, when you click the USD, you can change the currency that you want to buy. Used to buy, then you can below click the BTC icon, and here you can change what type of asset you want to buy. In this case I'm going to buy BTC, then trade the BTC into ICX. So the transaction, when you buy BTC, it takes about 10 to 30 minutes for it to reach your wallet, and there are some fees, but they are very low. So now all you have to do is click below buy BTC. After that, after 10 minutes, we can go back to assets, and boom, the BTC that you just bought comes here. You can see it here. Now to trade that BTC to get ICX, you have to go to market, then find ICX. Here you can see ICX/BTC, which means that it's pairing. Here there are the other pairs, but we are going to click ICX/BTC because we are going to trade the BTC that we just bought and trade it into ICX. Then just click it. After that, click buy, and here you can see that you can trade BTC to ICX. Now this means that if you put here like 25, that means that you're going to buy 25% of the that you're going to use 25% of the BTC that you just bought to buy ICX. But for example, if you want to sell all of your BTC and trade it into ICX, then just go with 100. That means you're going to use every BTC that you just bought or that is in your wallet, any BTC that is in your wallet, and you're going to trade it for ICX. Now after that, you just click buy ICX, and the trade will execute. After a while, it doesn't usually take long. Then you can go back to assets, and boom, you have now successfully bought ICX. You first bought Bitcoin, then you traded that Bitcoin into ICX, and now this ICX is in your assets. Now to secure your assets, I highly recommend you to get an offline wallet. They will help you tremendously. They are secure, they are easy to use, they are cheap. So I would definitely get one. If you still don't have an offline wallet, I highly recommend you to get one. Click link in my description called Ledger Wallet, and there you can get one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.